The CAT PC35 MHE cold planer is a perfect for small to medium-sized paving projects in residential and commercial areas. It has a Max Pro pressure gauge that provides the operator feedback to adjust ground speed for maximum productivity in changing material loads. Gauge displays planer performance in real time, which is standard on all models. The CP35 MHE has a gear motor that provides optimal performance and efficiency. Available in a variety of sizes, including PC35, PC310XD, and PC404.